Hi, this is Dax with Elemental Risk Management, and right now I'm going to talk about the current state of the commercial property insurance market. State of commercial property insurance market in 2023 as we are right now is we're in a very, what we would call in the insurance industry, a very hard market. There's not a lot of competition. Carriers are restricting coverage, reducing coverage, even not offering coverage. And simultaneously at the same time, when they do, they're offering coverage at higher rates. So we've seen anywhere from on the less extreme side, carriers look very flat. Let's say you have a fairly innocuous property exposure risk, maybe a shopping center. You're definitely going to get a number of different carriers that are willing to offer coverage for a shopping center or something somewhat simple like that, but they're gonna look very flat on pricing. You may get 3 quotes, or we may, as an independent insurance agency, get one of our clients 3 or 4 quotes, and they're all typically, for the most part, going to be within a similar pricing range. So that's the one end. On the more risky end, let's say your high hazard risk classes, things that businesses that have combustible materials such as paper, fuel, where there might be a potential for an explosion. We're actually seeing cases where you may be lucky if you get one insurance company to offer coverage. So maybe one offer, really high premium, and they may not cover your full exposure. So let's just give it an example. Let's say you have a $30 million property value building. That's total insured value in what we call in the property world, in the property insurance market, your building, contents, and potential loss for income, your business income replacement. Let's say that's what we add up to call your total insured value. Let's say that number's 30 million. You might get an insurance company that's only willing to offer something like 20 million or 15 million. So they may not want to cover the full exposure, the full potential risk, and they're going to do it at a higher price and quite likely too, a higher deductible. So those are the things we're seeing currently in our market for property insurance. We don't really know how long it's going to last. I've heard certainly through the end of 2023, maybe we'll see what we could call a softening, kind of a loosening up of the market. In 2024, it could be 2025 or beyond. But that's the current state of the property insurance market. It's just the reality of what it is. We definitely have a focus in working with more high risk class, more difficult to place property insurance. So we're always happy to talk if you have a potential unique need and are having some difficulties. So feel free to reach out to me or somebody on our team. Thanks.